Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Big Cat Alliance. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. The first assembly of the International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, initiated by PM Modi for the conservation of big cats in their range countries, was held in New Delhi. The assembly aimed to strengthen global conservation efforts for big cats and their habitats. Now let's discuss about International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA. The International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, was established by the Government of India through the National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, by an order dated 12 March 2024. The primary goal of IBCA is to foster collaboration and synergy among range countries and other stakeholders, bringing together successful conservation strategies and expertise to achieve a shared objective: the global conservation of big cats. This unified approach, supported by financial resources, seeks to strengthen the biodiversity conservation agenda, prevent the decline of big cat populations, and preserve ecological balance. Now let's discuss about 7 big cats. 7 big cats include tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar, and the cheetah. Out of these 5 big cats, YZ, tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, and cheetah are found in India. Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides and hunt cooperatively. Other big cats are solitary, except for mothers with cubs. The Siberian tiger, the largest of the big cats, is endangered due to threats like trophy hunting and use in traditional Chinese medicine. Big cats are keystone species and critical indicators of ecosystem health, but are increasingly threatened by poaching, illegal wildlife trade, and habitat loss. The Indian subcontinent has historically been home to the Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, Indian leopard, Indian Asiatic cheetah, and snow leopard. The cheetah was declared extinct in India in 1952. In 2022, the government launched an ambitious initiative to reintroduce African cheetah. Now is the time for previous year question from UPSC CSE Prelims Exam 2012. Consider the following. 1. Black-necked crane. 2. Cheetah. 3. Flying squirrel. 4. Snow leopard. Which of the above are naturally found in India? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.